Have you ever seen all of these long math problems and thought, just what in the world am I supposed to do to find the final answer? Well, fear not, my friends, because there actually is a really simple way to figure out the expression answers, and I'm about to show you how. So we can get a correct answer when solving those longer problems. We are going to use the order of operations. The order of operations are just a set of math rules. Rules in math? So when I look at this, it's just going to tell me what kind of math I'm going to do first. The very first thing that we do is parentheses, or any type of grouping symbol. Then exponents. Now, if you look at the last two steps, it's grouped together multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, because those are done from left and right, kind of like first come, first serve, whatever comes next. Now, just looking at these rules by themselves might not make a whole lot of sense. It's better if I show you through an example. So let's look at one on the next slide. Here we have an expression 4 plus 8 divided by 2. If I look right here at my order of operations, the very first thing is parentheses, or any grouping symbols like brackets. But since parentheses are first, I am going to add 4 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, let's think about something real quick. Over here, multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. However, even though that's addition, I have to go with parentheses first. I'm going to bring whatever is left down. So now I have 12 divided by 2. Well, now I only have one operation left, so 12 divided by 2 gives me an answer of 6. So the final answer in this expression is 6. Let's look at a problem that's just a little bit longer. I think it's a great idea to have your order of operations written off to the side so you can look in order to remind yourself what to do first and next and so on. I see that P is my first step, parentheses, or any grouping symbols. Here I do have parentheses in my expression, so I'm going to go ahead and solve first. 5 minus 3, which gives me 2. What we should do next is let's go ahead and rewrite everything we see here to make sure that we don't forget anything as we continue to work. It helps us stay organized. So 5 plus 10 divided by 2 times the answer we just got. So I'm done with all of my grouping symbols. Next comes exponents. This problem doesn't have any, so I don't have to do that step if there's not one there. Next, I have multiplication and division. You'll notice this arrow right here. That means first come, first serve with multiplication or division. But multiplication and division is always before addition and subtraction. But addition and subtraction is first come, first serve. Well, what does that mean? What that means is if I look at this expression right here, what I have left, I can see that I have both division and multiplication in this expression. So I have to remember when it comes to those two operations, it's whatever is first in the expression. In this particular expression, division is first. So that is what we're going to do next. 10 divided by 2, which gives me 5. Let's stay organized and go ahead and rewrite what we have not done yet. So now I have 5 plus 5, which was the answer here, and I have not done my times 2. Now we have 2 operations left, addition and multiplication, which comes next. Multiplication is always going to come before addition. So now we have 5 times 2, which is 10, and now I have 5 plus. We're at our last bit, and 5 and 10 give me a final answer of 15.